Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new recipient on the Remitly app. So first you just have to open the app, then go to the recipients on the bottom of the list, and on the top right corner of the screen you just have to tap on add, and here you just have to type in the first name and last name of your recipient, a phone number, mobile number. You can also select to send SMS updates when they receive the money, or if you don't wish to, you don't have to select that option. You also have to add the email address, the recipient's address, the reason of sending, which you can select from this list. And after you did all these steps, you just have to tap on save, and it is going to appear here on the recipients list. And when you have a new recipient, you can just tap on it and tap on send money to the recipient, and it's going to be very easy. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.